So I've lost thousands of pounds in crypto already. And I'm not talking about unrealized losses when I look at my portfolio and have heart palpitations and want to scream that F word from the rooftops. I'm talking about money that I'll never see again. You see, when I look at my portfolio now, despite the crappiness of the market, and it looks like it's getting worse, some of these projects I truly believe will return back to previous figures and may even go on to reach all-time highs in the next bull run. So if I'm patient enough, I may well have the opportunity of turning those unrealized losses into profit one day in the near future. But then there's cash, my friends, that I simply have lost due to being an absolute idiot. And a lot of this has gone to horrible, unethical scammers that exist out there in the world that we live in today. And today what I want to do is share with you all of these lessons so that you, my friends, don't get ripped off the same way I did. So first off, let's talk about NFTs. Now it almost feels like the NFT buzz has kind of worn off. The buzz around NFTs over the last few years, however, was incredible. We have seen celebrities buying NFTs for ludicrous amounts of cash. And of course, we've seen some NFTs simply designed to scam people. And yes, my friends, yours truly managed to pick one of those. In fact, I picked a few of them.
Because you're an idiot.
You see, across all the NFTs available, my first few choices were actually rug pulls. I invested in projects like Kong races and unstable horses, not just for the artwork, but because the Discord seemed relatively legit. There seemed to be a community at play, and well, I figured that, well, these could actually be worthwhile NFT investments. But boy, was I wrong.
Because you're an idiot.
And boy, did I lose my cash very quick. So tip number one, my friends, is be careful with the NFTs. Do a lot more research into them rather than just going into a Discord and listening to people rant and rave about how great it is and just checking the following numbers out on Twitter. Next up, we have the too good to be true. You've heard that saying, right? I've said it myself. If it's too good to be true, then it usually is. And the crazy thing is, as much as I knew this, I still went ahead and did some of the dumb stuff. You see, a lot of projects offer yield farming or staking options. And rather than the 0 to 2% we often see with our fiat currency, you can sometimes see listings with ludicrous amounts. Like I'm talking 1000% APR plus. And well, I fell for a few of those. So if you're gonna be doing this, my tip is simple. Be ready to lose it all. Next up, probably the most important one for the next bull run, take profits. Sadly, some projects will die. And if you don't take profit on the way up, when they do die, well, they're simply not going to resurrect. And you've literally lost your chance of ever recouping back some of that investment. So do not, my friends, do not forget to take profit. Tip number 4, we have URL problems. So even through wallets, you can end up on the wrong URL site. People are very clever nowadays and instantly create websites similar to the original ones. I saw this on the Monkey Ball IDO, and I also got done with the Phantom wallet with a token that seemed legit in the first instance. Nonetheless, it cost me a shitload of cash and a painful lesson. So my tip here, my friends, is go on websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and use the URLs there, the official ones, or check the official Twitter account for the correct addresses before you, my friends, get bumped and lose thousands of pounds. And tip number 5, last but not least, don't listen to influencers, please. You see, the thing with influencers is they'll simply pump and dump on you and shout manipulation or simply ignore your cries or even anger afterwards as if they've never seen you or done anything bad. You see, when these guys get to a certain level of influence, they are bringing in thousands and thousands of followers a day who are in awe of them. So your little cries of unhappiness or anger are often drowned out by the new people who would then consider you to be a hater or someone who should have just done your due diligence. So take accountability, my friends. They will take the credit when things go up, but they'll never take responsibility when it fucks up. And that, my friends, is that. So guys, keep safe. And if you made it this far, smash up that like button on your way out. Thanks for watching.